News Avenue back with the bang igama uSizwe Process uhlala nawe koze kushayere lelo hola ke sikhuluma into ezihlukahlukene hleli nohlegiwe Mkhaliphi kodwa ngimengitshela kahle nje imeya inoyithi bayibiza kanjalo hlegiwe alright
impela ngiyabona
ususilungele esikhondla
kakhulu
ongitshele nje oqala ongakwenza nje bese unginile ozokwenza nje ukaffecta abantu baseThekwini ngoba phela iTheku thiwa line budget
nga-address indaba yamanzi Thekwini inenkinga yamanzi
sinenkinga yamanzi
bonke abantu baseThekwini bakhala isililo esisodwa so nje uma imeya eyimina ingena necapha kuzo-addressa into yamanzi because into yamanzi firstly njengoba ukhuluma ngebudget ibudget yaseThekwini I think in this financial year 2026-2027 is 75.3 billion leyo budget inkulu ukuthi inga-addressa zonke inkinga esikhona eThekwini
yeah
kodwa manje kulo 75.3 billion for this current financial year only 1.7 billion is for allocated to water so incane kakhulu mina nje mengena nje ngetriplisha lo mali
okay we address kanjani I think the how part of it is very important considering ukuthi ingqalazizinda indala they are trying to fix that laba bakarete as well
firstly let's understand the problem iproblem ile ukuthi umasipala weTheku okuwona ufuneka ukuprovide amanzi eThekwini ne-Department of Water National they are very poor in terms of planning they don't have planning so the first thing that I must do as an incoming mayor when I get into the office is to commission i-development yamanzi ngizobuza ukuthi kwenze njani kuphi inkinga ngoba inkinga yokuqala it's aging infrastructure so umasipala weTheku awunayo indlela yoku-addressa aging infrastructure so mina what I will do with my team of course because we will be working as a collective is to ensure ukuthi kunama-technician awu 24 hours on standby a-addressa i-aging on infrastructure secondly i-population yaseThekwini according to census if I'm not mistaken uzongicorrecta lapha Sizwe I think sila ko 4.8 million obvious so census ka 2022 loyo uma ngabe ke uzo-identify noma uzo-allocate 1.7 billion kwi-population engaka uthini kahle so that's why ngithi nje kustarta kwi-poor planning between i-department and umasipala secondly asikwazi ukuswela amanzi sinolwandle ziphi lezi zinto ezibizwa ngemshini emkhulu efakwe olwandle ukuthi uma ngabe sinenkinga yamanzi ulwandle kufanele ngabe liyasisiza asinalo lolo hlelo lelo so zonke lezo zinto nje ezona ngisho ukuthi ngingena nje office ngithi uzandla madoda namakhosikazi adila namanzi ngithi ubani uhead waka water baba Msweli unayiphi iskill ngoba sifuna engineer yiphi group of engineers yakho baba Msweli osebenza nayo indaba yamanzi
khona le inkinga khona kakhulu ke engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe nawe uthebe usustudisha after ukumenyezelwa as incoming mayor why consider wa check ukuthi uzoyisolve kanjani kunama contractors kwamanje ayateleka ama contractors I don't know amanzi aphela now and again le eyawo we addressa kanjani ngoba yakhala nawa wakhokheliwa asazi noma ibona yena boyagqumpuze amanzi out there I'm not sure but ama contractors we addressa kanjani
into enhle ke Sizwe thina njenge-EFF we been clear from the onset contractors tenders it must be do away with it asi-insource abantu si-develop i-capacity komasipala sikulenkinga nje because asi-insourcile umasipala ufuna uku-insource ngizwile ke indaba ama-contractors ukuthi njengoba kunenkinga ezinkulu bakhala ngo-15% okufuneka bafakele wona umasipala ugcina uvumile bathe bangabe bevunywa kulo 15% kwadingeka lo 15% baphinde bawuthathe beyokhokhela certain things managerial entontontoni goes back to what we have been saying insource abantu baseThekwini baqashwe permanent as ama-permanent workers kamasipala kodwa ke ngoba sikhona inkinga phela njenge-mayor funeke zonke inkinga uyixazulule njengoba ngingakabe ke-mayor ke ngisayi-candidate ngizobiza wonke lo ma-contractors ke ngi-understand ukuthi kuphi inkinga bese ngihamba nabo kamasipala kodwa nje solution to this problem of ama-contractors nani insourcing ba
angakayazi inkinga yama-contractors
mina njengo-incoming mayor angakayazi
no I think phela nawe unama-councillors vele akho I believe i-EFF is represented kumasipala especially weTheku I'm sure bayakubriefa manje for sure usuyitholile i-briefing yokuthi Mayor bowungena-ke ugcotshwa ukuthi ube yimeya nazi izinto ey'bhekene nomasipala wethu as usuwa-identifyile amanzi bathini ngani bona kuwena?
To be honest with you, siqokwe nge-weekend. Bese ngasonto.
But ama-problems awaziwayo lawo.
Ngisho phela mina ngithi ukhuluma ngami ukuthi sebengibriefile yini.
Yeah.
Sisaqokwe nge-weekend. So what we have done, sizohlala-ke namakhansela ami, especially a person who is representing us kwi-ESCO. Sizoba ne-meeting after tomorrow. La-ke ngizothola yonke-ke i-briefing yey'nkinga ekhona kanye namanye ama-programs esibe nawo eseThekwini.
Ngcono ngikutshela ezinye zey'nkinga i-billing system kuyacomplainwa kakhulu ngayo. Okay, mina ngikho lo but I know these things ukuthi how to address indaba ye-billing system.
Yabona-ke leyo it's a problem. I know for a fact because ngihlala ka-COGTA Portfolio Committee Parliament. Ngiyayazi nje I have been also raising that issue of e-billing system. I think isinesikhathi eside futhi bengakwazi ukuyi-addressa. It's the first priority as well. It's one of the first priority ye-billing system. Yabona mase ngenzela i-example. Khona umphakathi ohlala endaweni ebizwa nge-Brooks Farm. So le ndawo yase-Brooks Farm iphakathi kweMawoti, of which is the informal settlement, ne-Phoenix.
Yeah.
So le ndawo le i-affectwa ile current billing system of which angazi ngayichaza ngethini. Uma kufika i-billing system yabo, kufika i-bill yabo ekhaya, kuvele kuthiwa hayi wena wase-Phoenix eyihlalela kwi-low cost housing. So mabuya kamasipala bakutshele sona lesi story sokuthi hayi lo usendaweni yase-Phoenix ngo-address yakhe. So iyonakele i-billing system. We've been making noise basho nabo bavuma bakamasipala. Kwathi nje at some point ngoba I'm very active ngiyisosha sizwe. Kwathi nje at some point I think 2 years if I'm not mistaken ngathola i-call from an old schoolmate wami. Wathi ngihlala eflatini, I've been paying a loyal member kamasipala ngiyakhokha kodwa sengifikelwe i-bill ethi sengowisha u-25,000. So ngawaqoqa lama-bill ngawathatha lama-challenges ngaya kamasipala ka-revenue. Kwenze njani? Bathi hayi i-audit. Sibe ne-query audit. Kwathiwa sasikade ngithi nami ngumhlali waseThekwini. Kwathiwa sasenibhile less. So-ke manje that's why-ke sekuthiwa asirecover le mali. Kabuza same thing ukuthi wena njengomasipala with your billing system which is currently is very problematic. Uzo-result ukuthi overcharge mina bunginike i-bill ngikhokhe lento uthi angikhokhe. So mangabe u-auditor general said no wena we have been doing very wrong in terms of billing abantu baseThekwini, why uzopanisha mina? So go and get money somewhere. So is a problem indaba ye-billing system nayo kufuneka ukuthi bazoyichaza kakhulu indaba ye-billing system. Ngibuyele kuleyo soma-contract ngoba songikhumbuza ngalento ye-billing system. Bashintshe ne-system yokukhokhela abasebenzi yokutenderisha and so on and so on. Kuye kwaba nenyakanyaka ama-project, I think it has been a month ago. Abantu osomabhizinisi abancane abenza lezi zinto zomgwaqo nani. Kwathiwa hayi manje i-billing i-system le yokukhokhelwa kwabo ishintshile. So basakwazi ukuthi ba-assess. Nakhona ba-introduce izinto bangayi-test kuqala njengomasipala before bese bethi cha-ke this system is working. Bavele ba-implement including nayo le billing system. Indala lento billing system process. Indala is not something that is new. But as I'm saying, one will also like to know more about it since my councillors will come and brief me.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi kodwa by the way sakhuluma noHlengiwe Mkhaliphi, incoming mayor ke eqokiwe laphana i-EFF kade ihlangene nge-weekend. Babehlangene ke that other week laphana eLimpopo la nifike nathatha khona inqumo eyinqala. Nani kwaphakanyiswa wathi hayi no asithathe abantu abathanda ukuba strong eindaweni zabo njengayo uHlengiwe ukuthi hayi asimele kwesemeya ukuthi bekwenzeka i-EFF ithatha la eThekwini uHlengiwe Mkhaliphi sozoba nibizana kanjani lo mdlalo wenu his hair worship
Your worship
worship naye ke sesizobiza kanjalo
na uzongibiza kanjalo sizongeke uzuthi umdlalo ngeke ungene e-ofisini usihleka lapha e-ofisini lime ufune ungene with the protocol.
Ayithandi lezo zinto ayikhoka ama-bills azisho lutho kwi-service delivery but khona indaba zogesi still sengitho lokulezi zinto ezi-basic ey'dingwa abantu on the ground nayo abantu babuye bakhaya.
Inkinga kakhulu indaba kagesi. Yazi mase ngixoxele nje udatshana ukuthi uyazi iTheku is the biggest client yaka-Eskom. Kodwa la sithi khona njenge-EFF akukho clear ukuthi umkhandlu ulisebenzisa kanjani lelo thuba ukuthi abantu ba-benefit ngoba yonke into yaseThekwini njengoba ngikhuluma ngama-billion o-75 billion ekugcineni kosuku kufuneka i-planning is such a way that umuntu waseMawoti umuntu waseMalikazi must benefit. So you can't be a biggest client. I think the first client yase-Richards Bay, one of the companies, but iTheku is number 2 or number 3 as the biggest client. So therefore, why as iTheku unganayo i-plan ukuthi this thing must work for me? Uyabiza ugesi process. Uyabiza ugesi kumuntu osebenzayo. Ngitsheleke ukuthi umuntu ongasebenzi. Bese kuzoba ke nenye into futhi eaffecta abantu baseThekwini laba ke abangasebenzi khona into ekufanele ibizwe nge-indigenous police. Abakwazi ukuthi system yakhona abanayo indlela ukuthi ba-identify wonke umuntu. Ngeke ngitshele ukuthi umuntu ohlala eBhalito uyabenefita kule police. Mubabuza ukuthi eDurban North uba kanjani nomuntu othi ufuna ngene kulolu hlelo. But I kuzoba complicated uma ngizothi ngiya kaMashu ngiyofuna labo bantu. Again, we've been telling them as EFF ukuthi yazi lula kanjani indaba yoku-identify abantu okufanele ba-benefit through this police. Umuntu ohola uSASSA grant. Ngeke kufike unginike iSASSA grant mhlambe ka350 ake ngithi ngihola u350. Vele ngiseku-database yakaSASSA. Obvious uthi ngizokhokhela ngani ugesi? Ngiphila ngo350. Uthi ngizokhokhela ngani amanzi? Ngiphila ngo350. So kufuneke kube ne-database esuka emkhandlweni iyo interlinka noSASSA. So if government o serious ngabantu to identify ukwazi ukuthi usiza abantu hamba uyofuna i-database yakaSASSA. Sibuye ke sizothi okay now ake benchmark ke ngamanye ama-countries eDenmark. Denmark is a very rich country yet very expensive country. But ugesi wakhona ngoba kumakhaza eDenmark abantu bafaka odongeni bafaka amalento ama-heat odongeni. So therefore since i-life yabo is very expensive ugesi wabo is very cheap. Yabona ke lokudla ade sikudla manje o-McDonald's njengoba sesisuthi njengoba sesiyokubeka ngaphandle baya-collecta behambe beyokushintsha abakwenze baphehla ugesi eDenmark banenkampani enkulu la ke lo gesi ke lezi zinto zo-collect waste zizo-address into ezo-3. Uzoba ne-city clean ku-clean eDenmark clean ngoba nabo baze bashode ngalo doti lo okufuneke bakwazi ukuthi bezophehla bezogesi. So njobe i-city yethu ingcole kangaka can you imagine thatha lo doti uphendula ugesi amathuba omsebenzi abantu abazocollecta then lo gesi obizayo ke manje esikhala ngokuthi uyabiza will become affordable. Those are the things that as a mayor we must think outside the box, go and benchmark with other countries. So Denmark is one of them.
Bengithi ngifuna ukuthi siye kuyona le ukuthi EFF bese ithathile because umhla ka4 ususemume. I think amalungiselelo asezingeni eliphezulu nanginini ukuthi nothathe umasipala ngendlela yenu. Yabona ngifuna ukuchecka naleyo kugcola kwethiwa. I think iyaba concern kakhulu abantu ubugebengu obuba khona nokungcola at the same time but ke singa overlook futhi ukuthi mhlambe nomasipala okhona njengamanje uyazama. Kodwa iyiphi nina iziphi inhlelo eninazo zokuthi get rid of ukugcola lokukhona okubatshazwayo nabantu abatholakala behlele emgwaqweni. I think manje ngakomo road and all the stuff kwesinye isikhathi bebeze babeke namatende. So i-EFF besingenile isiwuphethe umkhandlu hopefully nizowuphatha nodwa because ngathi kuyaphazamisa nalokuthi niphathisane namanye amaqembu asuke senembono yawo nayo kube sekuba difficult. So nimisela ngokuthini when it comes to indaba zokungcola kweTheku?
Ake ngiqale leyo ukuphatha sodwa nathi siyafisa ukuthi siphathe sodwa ukuze ama plans esinawo sikwazi ukuwa-implementa ngaphandle kokuphazanyiswa but the reality is that ngeke ilikho iqembu elingama la manje lithi sizophatha sodwa. Sibonile kwezekeleni ngo-2021 kakhulukazi kuma-metros onke ama-metros awu-8 including neseThekwini i-coalition ayisingenele baba coalition. I-study tour se-COGTA portfolio committee besibe ngo-October sivele sa-decide ukuthi sise-Denmark ngoba i-coalition government
ngisebenza
kahle eDenmark iyaqala ngo-1900. Sithe uma besithola nathi lo information sathi yo besingazi besazi nje khona ama-coalition there and there but masithi siya-check-a senze ilento i-study state 1900 ake sihambe sofunda ukuthi ngempela kubuyela kule nto eyishoyo ukuthi siyathanda ukuphatha sodwa ukuze si-implement ama-programs ethu but ekugcineni kosuku abantu abadecide abantu bakhathele uma ngivota ngivotelani into engizoyithola ngavota since 1994 and so on and so on. I-youth ke is very 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 difficult to tell them to go and vote. So
Because
therefore
ayikho galibu.
i-youth yethu nje ibuza yonke.
Nani nibe niqamba mangawodwa
Hayi ke thina sikakaze siwaqamba
ezosopolitiki.
aha thina singayo ungasibali lapho.
No ngiyakubala.
Uyasukela process. So uklina kwemfucuza kaDoti ikhona i-department. Department ikhona in allocation budget. Kodwa manje undonakela ukhona corruption. Yileyo nto ke iFF ifuna ezothi mingena ifuna uku-understand ukuthi kungani kunalento. Ngesikhathi ngake ngaba ikhansela process la. Ngifuna ukushila iphi inhlangano kodwa bayibiza ngokuthi kagogo. I was still very young. And I was very active kulezinto.
Kusekhona komawodi.
Khona emawodi ward council. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngizoba imeya kodwa ngi-activist ngiyazenzela isikhathi esiningi izinto. There was a concept introduce at that time to address lento kaDoti. Angithi beyibizwa ngo-Durban Solid Waste.
Yeah.
Thothi kwakugcwele amabhunu ngalezo zikhathi mina ngangikhansela ngo-2001. So amabhunu ayebambe kakhulu lo mnyango loyo. Sathi mesingena as onxaka abantu abathanda umphakathi sathi cha kuzofuneka umphakathi wethu ubenefit phela. Ubenefit ekutheni amathuba omsebenzi akhandeke. Sangena ngikhumbula kahle nje ngiqala ukungena kulo meeting sesibize yonke ke i-leadership noma i-management yakade Solid Waste kwakwabalela imhlophe elingathi nsi. Nathi sesingazi noma i-story sethu sikhona yini. Sathi sizofuna ukuthi ipart yenu ye-management yokumanage lento kaDoti. Ngazo ikhathi ke ngabe khona i-crisis engaka. Sifuna kuba ama-cooperatives. Sa-identify omama, obaba, i-youth encane komawodi ukuthi nizoba ama-cooperatives and then per month nizokhokhela yonke into ize niba provide nangama-skippers nangey'moto lezi eziqoqa uDoti. So ngicabanga ukuthi i-cooperative yokuqala yasemawoteni nabantu abawu-10 ekugcineni kosuku nizobanika u-50,000. It was a lot of money.
Yeah.
Ngo-50,000 ajuluka ababomvu amabhoni but we put our foot down. So into efana nalezo kufuneka siphinde reintroduce ukuthi njengoba nine-budget yeni zo-Durban Solid Waste but kunenkinga ekhona. Ithini i-problem, then we resolve the problem. We can't sit with the budget but we fail to clean itheku lingcolile itheku. Sasithi mahlayeni mhlambe emalokishini sekungcole phakathi ke kwi-city. So one of the things that we have identified for sure i-corruption.
Omunye umuntu uzobuza ukuthi kusuke ngcolwa ngobani ngoba sekufika oDark. Uyakhumbula back then ngalezi ayikhathi itheku ko-West Street wawuhamba niphambane nanongamla namandiya nayo yonke leyo nto understandele into kuphilwa kanjalo. But sagcwala thina. Bayabaleka futhi manje abelungu. Bowuvamise ukunotice ukuthi kulezi indawo esingena khona bayashift. Bowuchecka ko-Musgrave awusababoni kahle abelungu. I think Durban North lapha so Apple Road. Uyabona sekunalawo ma-restaurant athize but nasemhlanga futhi lapha phansi. Yindawo ayithi nzama ukuthi siphilisane sonke. Ezosopolitiki anikwazi ukushaya imithetho senza sibe together nenze into ezokwenza ukuthi kube nalento babeyibiza ngani iqala social cohesion or something of that sort.
Yabathanda abelungu Brasiso ababaleke. Mina nje nginankinga nje ukuthi ngambona umlungu kodwa ke ngiyayizwa ipoint lakho ozama ukuyidrive ukutheni why kungaphiliswana.
Wayengaphiliswana ngoba uzothola izingane ezikahlengiwe. Uthi mina ngiyabathanda belungu but izingane zakhe sifunda uyayisusa elokishini ziyekuphi ziye kofunda nabo abelungu akakwazi ukuthi enze isikole powerful top of the range isikole alande bona abafundisayo abelungu kuzofundwa la eBawoti abelungu basuke baye eBawoti why ngazenzi into enjalo because zakho mhlawumbe zikubelungu.
Ingane yami enginayo iyodwa engabusiswa ngayo.
Yeah.
Ibifunda e-public school. Sifunda ke manje umatric. Ifunda e-boarding school ePietermaritzburg. Ifunda nje public school nakhona is a public school ayikaze nje ize.
Hayi case yakihlukile but checka also politics sesibabeke bonke la.
Yeah, I know.
Sithi sichecka ingane zabo ukuthi ifunda but bakhuluma and khona le style nisithandayo. Niyathanda ukuthi nikhulumela abantu aba poor people all the time. Nidli imali nina in the name of poor people. in the name of team. Hey,
Angeke ngikwazi ukuphawula ke lapho ngoba ususibhanqa ngabhandi linye.
no sopolitiki.
Hayi
Now usopolitiki ungena eParliament.
akusetshenzwa kanjalo.
Ungena eParliament.
Akusetshenzwa.
Ithathe inqubo
Brasizo,
waphi.
uma ngabe ngifike ngithi la lo mphakathi ukhala ngokuthi ureshiwe. Ngeke ngifike ngithi nonke ni rape intombazana. Kufanele ngibhekane noBrasizo two wena rape intombazana. So ngeke ngifike ngithi nonke njengoba nabantu besilisa nama rapist. Uyedwa umuntu wenza leyo nto. Yingakho namhlanje sinenkinga enkulu kanje ukuthi sithi wonke umuntu ongekho ongayinwa South Africa kahambe ngoba udayisa ama drugs. Sizobulala abantu. Akona wonke umuntu ongenwa South Africa udayisa ama drugs. Umuntu udayisa ama drugs aka identify ahambe aboshwe. Umuntu owenza into engekho emthethweni eSouth Africa aka identify athathelwe inyathelo zomthetho. So awukwazi ukuthi bonke osopolitiki mina track record yami speak for itself. I joined politics when I was very young. Ngaba ikhansela ngo-2001 ngahamba ngaye eParliament ngifakwe i-EFF ngo-2014 anginayo criminal record. Akekho ongafika la kwi-podcast kaBrasizo athi mina umkhaliphi ngesikhathi ngiseyikhansela I was responsible for izindlu ze-project zaseBrooks Farm. Ngiyazi ukuthi abangena emva kwami the first meeting abayibiza kulwa mphakathi because babekholela ukuthi ngeke uhlengiwe ngayenzi corruption yokufaka izindlu. Wakhathala baba udaka bebe umphakathi umtshela ukuthi cha asikaze sikhokhele indlu kaze kube nomkhoshokosho. So nje my record as a politician
Yes mina ngicela ukuthi ngenzeni because ngiyazi uzoba imeya yabo ngale ntamba coalition ukuthi
izoba yona
sithe yodwa uyeli decider akabe imeya umkhaliphi nginethemba lokuthi uzoba imeya ubuso uyangiallow ukuthi ngikujudge based on that usukuyiphawo understand lento nalabo babiseli nabo but mhlambe wena it's a pity because we don't have the executive mayor la eThekwini ngithi kuba khona accounting officer or something kodwa ima ngikubheke after the 4th usuqokiwe uyabona ukuthi hamba kanjani
ungazongibheke ngokuthi ngize ngibe imeya hamba ubheka manje angithi ngiyasho ukuthi I've been in the public office for quite a number of years.
No, I agree but manje usuzongena sekunale budget ozobune say strong kuyona sikhuluma ama-billions la sikhuluma ukuthi awukakakhi wena kini
ama-politicians awalindi nokuthi acontrol i-budget kumanje mengiphuma nje la mangabe ukuthi ngi-corrupt ngathi ayiBrasizo phela i-Coltrane before ngizo kwi-podcast yakho ngifuna ukugwazela yabona ama-politicians nje amaningi especially lawa angekho umkantshubomvu siyabathanda thina abantu abahluphekayo ama-policies ethu nje athi look after poor people. Yani mfethu kodwa ke woza uzongijaja ngizoba imeya when it comes to 5 ungifonele futhi ngomhla ka4.
No ngizokufonela after because anything is possible kabe ngisho ukuthi iqembu elilodwa elinomuntu oyedwa eParliament igcina eseyimeya but yazi ngifuna ukuyichecka le.
By the way Brasizo sorry ukudisturb kunomthetho ohlongozwayo amenda umthetho lokhu alawa ama-political parties amancane. One lo mthetho lo bufakwe amendment le bifakwe iDA kanti nedepartment vele yawuhlongoza ukuthi ake sibuke lezi zinto zokuthi umuntu athole isithe yodwa avotela abantu abawu500 azoba decide nalena ke ukuthi vote of no confidence ngithi si coalition manje khwiqiqi asamthemba uhlengiwe 3 months down the line so ngisazoke ngicheck ne department how far because kufanele ukukhike in phela manje lo mthetho lo
because akubi will of the people lady qhakabisayo zopolitiki
nanokuthi nje istability ke manje one of the lessons that we learned at Denmark iyona leyo ukuthi once wayemeya uguaranteed nje ukuthi uzoyiqeda u5 years wakho. One of the important lesson we learn about coalition in Denmark is that umeya sahlangene naye kwakuyintombazanyana encane outside Copenhagen esaba interested saba nesikhathi naye wathi imina ngiyi-majority that's why bengiqokile ukuthi ngibe mayor amongst other political parties but ngithatha umbono wama-opposition izinto ey'ningi engiyi-implementayo angiyibhulodozi imina ngithatha imibono yabantu abangene bazongiseka so it's very important ukubekezelelana ngoba ezinye zezinto esihlangabezana nazo la ukuthi ngithi hayi phela ngiyi-majority for instance i-GNU i-ANC is a majority ku-GNU so iyona eqoka o-minister and so on and so on and so on so iyona ne-upper hand eDenmark silalela lo oyedwa noma bawu-2 ngoba imibono yabo iyasiza kakhulu to implement ama-programs e-service delivery.
Ayazwakala. Yazi ngifuna ukuthi sithinte le eyama-immigrants because i-position ye-EFF angazi noma mhlawumbe khona la ibuye ngathi kuyalahleka khona. Kurong yini ukuthi umuntu ongafikanga ezweni ngendlela okuyiyona efanele afike ngayo kube sekuthiwa akahambe that particular person ayosotha outer izinto zakhe iy'ncukacha zakhe abesiyabuyela-ke eSouth Africa but enazo leyo nto angazi ukuthi whether that thing according to nina it tantamount to xenophobia ukuba xenophobic or something of that sort. Yazi ngihlele ngisho ngakuthumelela imessage some weeks ago or months ago because inhluva lento ngifisa ukukhuluma nomuntu we-EFF ukuthi akangichazela because ithi i-position yalama organizations, civic organizations lawa khona abanankinga bebesho with our brothers from the north. No, it's fine uzongitshela abanayo inkinga nabo but banenkinga ngendlela abangene ngayo yokungabi nayo imvume. As a result babe sebethi abahambe ukuze babe accounted for ezweni because ezweni kuba nesimo sokuthi wenza icala kushawa iy'thupha labantu laba banazi kushuthi angabulala abantu abaningi but agcine engatholakali. But uthe ngiphoze ngicela ukuphendula lapho ehlekiwe.
Ngifuna nje ukuqala ngokuthi uma ngabe kuthiwa abantu bokufika why target ama-Africans? Ibona bodwa yena abafikayo. Awekho ama-China angenayo, abekho abelungu abangenayo, awekho ama-India angenayo. Okay, that is number 1. Okwesibili, why ngizothi wena ngikubuka ebusweni ngithe wena uyena wala wenzeni uprincipal waselinde lana lo wahlangana ne-march and march epoint eyothenga i-stationery sasesikoleni kwathiwa veze i-ID wayiveze kwathiwa unamanga uyi-Nigerian. Into esiyalayo uthini ukuthi yes kunama-challenges e-immigration because there's no enforcement kawayawayi kawonke umuntu oyengenele eSouth Africa. Ubani onikezwe lo mnyango loyo to make sure ukuthi there is no influx of people? Awona Home Affairs
Leon the case
Minister of DA Home Affairs
no deputy Njabulo
Nzuza Home Affairs, that's why ngithi Home Affairs. So why manje ke mina ngizolwa nawe ngizokubuka ebusweni? Sikhuzile ke leyo nto ukuthi is very wrong. Ipaint a very bad picture of against ama-Africans. That is number 1. Sayikhuza futhi sathi mase niqedile ukuhlukumeza laba bantu ke nizongenelana nodwa bangaka abantu sebeshayiwe ama-video akhona wena process ukhuluma as if mhlawumbe ayenza kahle lento bafike eGauteng I think 2 weeks ago bamgwazile umuntu ozidayisela imshanele eGoli kwathiwa ngoba uyikwerekwere gxi yini leyo uyibiza ngani leyo?
No, angithi khona ubudlwembe khona these 7 cardinal pillars e-EFF esazi ukuthi leadership stands for this. Kube sekuba khona imdlwembe along the way ezokwenza okuphambene but in the name of EFF. That is wrong. Ngethi sibonele, understand? Imash and mash bofuna ukuba clear ngokuthi yenzani kanjani. Udodonsa bona uJacinta
benzani Jacinta
bathi babe sebeyachaza ukuthi sebebaningi kakhulu kodwa besikhuluma ama-states it doesn't make sense. You'll correct me if I'm wrong. Besoba no 57% wabantu ekuthiwa ba-owner ama-spaza shops from hayi kwi-country. Understand leyo? Bekhuluma nge-scarce skill. Asikwazi ukuthi sinothisha ama-lecturers e-sociology kwaba yawo lapha emavasithi. Understand? Bekhona kodwa odakhi balana. Understand? Okay, siyabaxolela ngoba abanye babo labo basuke bela legal. Bona bakhuluma ngabantu aba-illegal. That is their position.
Yabona nje namhlanje ade ngikhuluma noMakagula before one of the reason why ngilate ngikhuluma noMakagula wa Home Affairs because kunomama bengimhlelele ukuthi ahambe yolentoza. So ngiyambuza ngoba most of the time bengamtholi last week 2 weeks or 2 months ngiyambuza ngithi usasesikoleni ngithi kambe ufuna ukuba udoctor athi ngifuna ukuba ummeli ukuze mangabe ningi-challenge ngikwazi nami ukuthi nginitshele ukuthi uthini umthetho.
Yeah.
Right? It's not true. Ungitshela ukuthi and some of the leaders bebethi bona even nalabantu abanamaphepha of which I know ukuthi ufuna ngize ngizomagagula angithi bathatha namavidiyo labantu kushawa noma ubani as a result kushawa nomuntu wase-South Africa wasevenda ola ungasikhulumi nje kahle isiZulu kuthiwa hayi wena ayigubhi amavidiyo
busha imdlwembe
emamashini abo bengayona imdlwembe lebeshaya uprincipal waselindelana Brasizo kodwa videos bekuyimashi eholwa abaholi bakhona bekushaya umuntu hayi ukuthi bekhona umdlwembe besuka eceleni yenzeke emamashini abo ilento esasiyikhuzile from the beginning ukuthi asikwazi uku-addressa lezi zinto enikhala ngazo of which ezikhona vele zinathi siyayibona yikhona kodwa umbuzo ufuna ukuyibuze wona size sifike kulesi simo bapha abaphathi be-country iphi imithetho ye-country kuze kube nje kube amabhilidi asephoyinti ona ubani spaza shop ubani obanikile amalungelo okona ama-spaza shop it goes back to what we were saying ukuthi cha umthetho awukho eSouth Africa.
Exactly. Uyabona ukuthi njengoba umthetho ungekho obviously abantu bazogcina beyithathela ini umthetho ngokwawo.
Uvotele umuntu wena othi uMinister of Police ofuna yenze sure ukuthi umthetho ukhona. Why uyithathela umthetho ngesandla ungayi kwi-Department of Police Minister ozo account phela ucontroller wena ibudget yethu okufuna ngabe uenforce lo mthetho.
No, I'm sure but abantu bafonile ukuthi kulela flat khona into untoward ak-attend banga-attend hayi kulaphana egolela ekwankunzi idlibini abantu bayayingenela la ecountryn bayiphumele
ayikho border
but kune problem yokuthi abantu abaphathiswa umthetho aba-enforce and as a result this thing igcina isideteriorate isiyathini kumamasisi ukuthi asukume because ilento one day abosukuma abantu bathi we are sick and tired high rate of unemployment and siyobuya futhi sigxeke bona but it's too because sifuna ukureact. We mustn't react, let us be proactive kulezi ikhulu but ngisho kahle ngoba ngikhuluma ngemeya
incoming
but ukuba ngempela kuyasebenzeka ngokwendlela I doubt ukuthi ngabe sake sa experience so much and much. Understand?
Ngiyakuvumela ngithi kodwa i-diversion leyo abantu ufuna aba account mase ngiyime musu kusha uBrasizwe uthi ungene kanjani ezweni woza officeini lemeya why unga enforce umthetho ungamasha every day ngoba umuntu o-accountable for this mess is Department of Home Affairs. Why ungamash every day ubize lo mlungu aka oy minister ukuthi why are you not doing your job? That is our bone of contention. Why manje bese ngithena wena into enkulu kunakho konke ama illegal foreigners amhlophe lapha ko Durban North ayicanasela akekho umuntu oyivulisa i-ID vula ulayo ngokusemthethweni abantu abamnyama kuphela iyona lento esithi cha angeke sesivume kumanje upresident wakho wezwe kade address lapha i-Pan African Parliament amba manga wodwa bo ethi they are acting as a government ngithi usehle nabanye president bamanye ama countries because amahloni lento yenzakalayo amahloni lento ade ngisho eqaleni Brazil ukuthi uma ngabe uBrazil udayisa ama drugs lemlasi akungafiki kuthiwa ongcobo obani nonke into yasama drugs obanhleni uBrazil kuyaziwa ukuthi uBrazil so let us deal with uBrazil so mangabe sizothi wonke sizoshaya sizobulala abantu ngendlela wrong sizobulala abantu based on hatred
but angazi nginizwe nibancenga futhi nani nithi sicela nihambe nina engenazo imvumo okay let's alone
angeke
ngithi wena ngisho EFF ukuthi nike nilekelele ke phela ukuthi empeleni nina engenazo vele imvume
awuthi ke kwenzeka
kuphuma ibudget akithi ukuthi le budget
why ufuna iEFF incenga abantu abangayikho emthethweni la uphi ugovernment ngoba phela iEFF iyahlala kuma portfolio committees
no but ni vocal nje bekuthiwa abahambe
as
much as ni vocal bekuthiwa abahambe iba vocal futhi kuthini bafethu siyanithanda but i problem awukwazi ukuyongena emelika uzukalela ukuthi uzokwenzani
kunomthetho phela kunomthetho
uzohlala isikhathi esingakanani
umthetho phela into engisho ukuthi kunomthetho phela awukho umthetho la So abantu abaphathisa ukuthi bashaye lo mthetho bavikele lo mthetho ibona ofuneka baphendule. Awuthi ngikwenze le example nje. Yabona lento ngendlela edangerous ngayo. Leyo hatred because siyibiza ngokuthi sini hatred.
Ngokwenu.
Cha, nawe nje uzoyibona lento mengisho. Uyabona u-provincial manager wa Home Affairs, Baba Mncwaba. Angithi uyamkhumbula ngesikhathi ye-interview yakhanjiswa amamali wayenzena. Ngangimbuka la ku-TV ngaze ngamfonela ngathi ngendlela omnyama ngayo nawe. Angeke sikwazi ukuthi umuntu afika ade yabona ke lokhulumayo cha wase South Africa. Lo okuthiwa kahamba waseMalawi.
No, that is wrong. Because nami ngimnyama.
Ilento esintshela lona musa ukuba hatred towards an African person ngoba siyafana sinto eyodwa. Ama illegal foreigners abamhlophe no khiphisana nama ID. Awuthi ngenze le example. Yabona eMawoti la ngikhulele khona. Sikhule nabantu ebizwa amashangana. Abayithungelo sofa siyi-community eyodwa. So namhlanje angeke ngivuse ngithi ke ubra Sizwe ngoba waseMalawi ngisamfuna. Uwenzeni? Thema bisuka lento siqala ukugetha nemomentum ebantwini nje ngoba phela abantu bayithanda into engathi vele iyalwisa. Abantu abayifuna ipeace. Mangithi nje ubra Sizwe wenza ukuthi kungavele ngithi userepile la ngiqamba manga sonke umuntu ezozokusha ubra Sizwe. So ke njengoba ngiyi-campaign trail ke. So ngimnomunye umama ngakamamba. Nawe uyasho ukuthi yabona nje labantu abahambe ngithi okay. Ngalithola ithuba. Obani uthi abahambe la njengoba simila kamama. Obani? Hayi ukhona umakhelwane wami owafika ngo-2010. Ngithi okay wenzeni kuwena? Ukuhluphe ngani? Dayisa ama-drugs? Mhlawumbe ukuthathela umsebenzi? Hayi siphila kahle kamnandi nakabi naye. Okay, usuzwe laba abantu ethi abahamba abantu base-Africa nawe usuya hotspot. Angithi umakhelwane nihlala ubuntu into esiyalayo Brasizwe ile ukuthi angingaveli ngisuvuke ekseni ngixoshe because awuyena owase South Africa. That is hatred. Ake ngenze enye example eyangidisturba kakhulu ngesikhathi selooting ePhoenix. Kunomndeni engikhule nawo wakaGebashi. So wasuka eMawoti wayoqashela noma thola indlu ePhoenix whatever reason I can't remember. Uhlale lapha for more than 10 years. Theme kusuka lento yamandiya ye-hatred against abantu abamnyama ngoba siyazondwa sabantu abamnyama. Ehlala ngithi uyayibona izindlu zasePhoenix ezinye izixhumene. Umakhelwane wakhe uyena wayembulala eza nesizenze. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu abavuka ekseni ba-exchange izinkwa mungenawo sawuthi siphila. Kodwa ngoba manje sekufakwe lento sekufuwele lento ukuthi abantu abamnyama baphume la ePhoenix. Ufuna ukubulawa ilo uthi akazi waphuma kanjani akayifisi kwani. Yilento esikhuzayo ukuthi angeke siphile with and hate. It's not going to work. Sizobulalana sodwa. Ingane efele eWestern Cape le mjondolo yaseWestern Cape leyangane encane ebikade trend ma social network ibulawela ukuthi kuthiwa eyase outside Africa ingane yase Limpopo. If singayikhuzi lezo zinto is going to be very messy. So funeka sikhuze.
Mhlambe nani indlela enikrafta ngayo le message yo borderless and all that stuff. Mhlambe kusafanele nihlalele phansi nibone ukuthi nikhiphela like is it, and I don't think ukuthi khona umuntu ongaba ne problem engase wena kuthi angazi uba u-provincial something la ngoba manje
uzogcina provincial secretary umongezi
provincial chair umongezi ngiyambona umongezi kodwa angibuye ngingamboni isikhathi esiningi kodwa ngiyambona ukhona. Let's say provincial something. Nikwazi phela kuba ne-campaign yokuzochazela abantu i-KZN ngendlela language ezo-understandwa abantu. Lento eyichazayo ngiyayi-understand ukuthi niqhakambisa indaba ye-hatred bisiya vala lokho kunye, understand, but given the opportunity I'm sure ukuthi nizokwazi ukuthi isikhathi manje sesisincane kodwa ke hopefully ngoba khona izinto ezibuye ngakwi-EFF abantu abadingayo ukuyi-understand even nomholi wenu sibuye singa-understand bese kuzoba nobuhlobo kakhulu nalabantu laba engathi or bayasukela like Andrew Johnson, Winnie Mandela,
Fredel
Adams.
Into nge-EFF
Fredel Adams, or Steve Biko of today, according to EFF.
Yabona into ye-EFF. Ipolitiki ye-EFF since sayiqala ngo-2013. Ayikho into esenze emakhoneni. Yonke leyo nto ikhulumayo ikhona if ungazuthi nje qaqa ku-internet uzoyithola. Kunabantu nje abenza sure ukuthi they misunderstand language noma message EFF deliberately. But we've been saying ukuthi each and every time there's elections sizohlangabezana nalezi inkinga. Njalo kuzoba khona nje umuntu ozovela athi cha EFF this and that and that and that. But while we are saying the same thing, I'm telling you ukuthi Ramaphosa now 2 days ago lapha nje bade ngivula iPan African Parliament is saying the same thing that esishoyo. 2 weeks ago kade kulistwa amazwe kuthiwa visa free. Akuyona EFF. Department nohulumeni kuthiwa law from this country must come to South Africa with a visa free. South Africa is not EFF. It's what is happening because it's supposed to be like that. Asikwazi kuba island isodwa eAfrica. But I'm saying there was a time whereby kwathiwa ngizosuwishwa ngoba ngathi laba bantu announcer noma campaign decampaign EFF bakhokhela mhlawumbe yakhumbula story ngathi Mbopheni yathi EFF organization yami yes Mbopheni sizoniprovela bohlehle ngoba yazi ukuthi there are people who are paid to decampaign us. Why? Is because of our radical policies. Isitori samasiphelele lesathi ngixoxela sona sakamama ngithi mina lona makhelwane wakho nje uthi akahamba wenzeni ngaphandle ukuthi uyi-cheap labor la kamama amandiya who are owning umamba uyi-cheap labor lapha uzadliswa nangezinja. We have to go and fight umamba as EFF. You can't fica umuntu kunezinja ezinkulu lapha ifakwe ngaphakathi wena uyi-cheap labor la kwalenja mesededeliwe iluma wena kuthiwa hamba obhandisha uphinde uzosebenza la. We can't allow that. This is our Africans. So I agree with you one point. Maybe let us teach our society. We do. When we go and campaign and call meetings, we do teach them, no, this is hatred. It's pure hatred. It's pure hatred because I'm telling you, uyafuna ukusebenza ngamamba wena. Kuthiwa lo cement, cha ngifuna ukusebenza umsebenzi alright. So manje uthi umuphi umsebenzi akuthathele wona lo muntu. Ngoba kufanele silwe phela nomamba lethe uyafuna ukusebenza ngamamba. Kuthiwa lo cement uqhilazeke. Alright. Now, what is the problem? Umamba ufuna lo ngoba usuke ekhaya ngeenkinga zakhe uzomkhokhela imali encane ngeke wena uyivume imali ayiholayo. Agreed. Inkinga zethu ezikhona ukuthi uhulumeni is not delivering, is not providing quality jobs to our South Africans who are educated. Let us be clear. Asilwe nabantu abasiqhathayo.
So ayehla ama numbers EFF KZN
ehla kanye akuyona EFF kuphela process. ANC
no ngibhekana benike nama MPLs la abangakhi 8 or 9 or something if memory doesn't deceive me, but kwaba nale situation I think manje no 2
asiqale la 2024 elections emergence of MKP dealt with all political parties. 2014 we were 25 in the National Assembly. 2019 we're 45. We're 45 from 25 to 49 in on because there's an NSOP, right? ANC ngo-2024 ngesikhathi sideclane no ukuthi angifuni mesixoxa le ndaba ngazi ukuthi EFF kuphelile into engishoyo ukuthi abantu abangayifuni EFF bavele ba-earmark EFF kanti kufanele sixoxe yonke le ndaba iphelele. 2024 iANC njoba coalition government yehla ngo-71 seats, lost 71 seats while EFF yehle only 5. But propaganda ne-media yayithi EFF is declined. Even the ANC nabo bagcine bekholwa ile media beyikhohlwa kwabona. I quickly remind them that we declined with 5 seats because we declined here in KZN. Kumbula phela KZN is the biggest feeder in elections. So ke ila ke MKP is very strong.
Ayishaya ngalento borderless and stuff.
No. Phela zibuze phela ukuthi abantu ababethi bahambe bathola amavoti bawina nama elections. Khuluma ngoGaten Mackenzie. If uborderless uzosishaya bona bebe pro bawina nama elections. U-Action SA wathola amavoti amangaka.
But lo 3 or 4 eParliament uthola lawo ma seats kwe-PA kusho khona ukuthi at least bazamile.
I'm saying to you ukuthi bahambe ama-Africans does not earn you seats in Parliament. Ngabe phela bawinile ama-elections. Unjani manje uGaten uthini? Uthi akho umuntu oyoparticipate kulento unqamla juqu kamhla ka-30 June. Ushintshele manje. Uthi phela use on the table. Ayikho leyo nto suke bayifunela amavoti we rather lose on the basis of principle nokuthi sidayisa umuntu wakithi omnyama.
But do you think Andrew Johnson we-IDEC multiply wena?
Ubani othe u-Andre washophi uSayisilonda?
Kwi-ad hoc committee.
Wathini?
Wathi ubecabanga ukuthi uWinnie uyalokhuza whatever
Whatever. Uyabona whatever.
manje uglad ukuthi
wathi upresident eseqeda ubufakazi bakhe kwi-ad hoc. Uphendule kahle imibuzo ngoba abantu abaningi labayasaba. Once wathatha less istool, you become very scared. So I'm very proud of women. Is pro-women, ke usayise. Promotion of women, advancement of women empowerment is
Bona la engangeni khona. La engangeni khona.
cha. So ke wayencoma nje ukuthi ngendlela oziconducte ngayo. So I'm proud of you. Ngangithi uWinnie didn't multiply. Didn't say we are winning Mandela. Ngiyabezwa nje ama enemies e-EFF ehambisela propaganda. Is well and good, we don't care. Tina, we are focusing, that's all.
Sikhuluma no Hlengiwe Mkhaliphi sesizoyivala le ngxoxo. I think nje mhlawumbe before mhla ka4 solithola futhi lithuba lokuthi sikhulume naye uHlengiwe Mkhaliphi or simthole eseyibeya yiTheku because silindele noma yini lento ecoalition izokusurprise izokumangaza le.
Tina njenge-EFF sizowina umkhandlu weTheku, coalition or no coalition. We are here, sebantwini. People that are going to hear us out now, we are here. We are the only organization who is very stable. Wonke amanye ama-organization uphuma yangena kuyaliwa kuyadutshulwana hamba ubheka njengoba be-identify bekhetha ama-councillor candidate. Jawona ngey'bhamu. Awahlala ama-conference akhona. Iy'bhamu phambili abantu babanga indaba ukuba ama-councillor. Bakhohlwa ukusho ukuthi inkinga is unemployment. Ngeke sonke sibe ama-councillor. Kufuneka silwe nohulumeni okhona ophasithiswe iPES yethu umphakathi ukuthi create amathuba omsebenzi. But ke we are very proud thina ukuthi akho ngisho sodwa isigigaba sokulwa ngoba si political party enjani
uzoxabana noMholi phela.
Ngani?
Bo expressa otherwise.
Umholi wenza njani uzonza njani? Ama policies ethu you are very clear. If wena ufuna ube cancel uzofika udunge umhlangano we-EFF uyagona. We are gone. It's very clear on our guidelines. Akho mholi othini ama-guidelines sizozi-conduct accordingly. Sifuna i-discipline. Ka-EFF we are very disciplined. Very disciplined, siya-respecta kakhulu. Si-respect umphakathi. Akwazi uba umdlwembe, sazi ukuthi wena wakwa-rape kule community. Bese ufuna uzosibhulisha ukuthi ufuna ukuba yi-councillor. Uzoba yi-councillor kanjani ekubeni kwazi emphakathini? Siyakuvetha. Onazi iy'thupha baba. Akwazi untshontshe baba. Sikutshela ke mhlawumbe ubucashile. Mhlawumbe asabile ukusitshela. Vetting wendoda uphendule la ama-guidelines phela siqale siwafunde.
Yeah, but is it by default ukuthi EFF ngathi ba sympathetic to labantu laba abane dark cloud over their heads kulento emadlanga ke manje? Understand that kunalabo bantu abalele bevela but most of the time
yenzeni EFF
cha sengizolo ukuthi engathi ikulolu hlangothi
yenzeni
okay sibe nama incidents ad hoc committee khona la upresident wayengaveli khona
upresident wayeshonela wayeshonela umndeni wakhe uanti wakhe sayongcwaba bra I'm saying to you into enhle nge-EFF ayikho into enzele emakhoneni skip statement daily nangesikhathi ke nisho lento oyishoyo sasho ukuthi ushonelo anti wakhe sahamba sayongcwabela impompo nithi umuntu oshonela kayeke ukuthi ahambe yohlala nomndeni wakhe kwazi waya even no president Zuma we-MKP wayomkhalisa eLimpopo.
So labantu abacabanga ukuthi kuna this generally corrupt relationship between yena nabantu abanjengo Farouz Khan
abantu abanjengoSibiya abeze nofakazi
bamcabanga nokumatlala. I'm glad because EFF yakwazi ukudismissa that thing successfully. Yeah, no. Angithi kwakunokuthi unkosikazi wakhe wakabatlala ugadwa but you managed. But I'm saying
bangakoblose mfowethu bangakoblose mase kuthiwa khona isigebengu sakablose ke manje siboshiwe senze bese kuthiwa ubra wakhe. I-perception is dangerous.
Sezana evidence is correct some perceptions. No, ngiyakuzwa but angithemba ukuthi next time so nawe ehofisini lemeya lapha likuphi ihhovisi lemeya City Hall.
City Hall.
So
Ngiyaclean,
visitor-
bayaklina nje manje uXaba uyaklina nje. Uyaphuma phela ngithi
Uyaphuma
ngiyangena.
uXaba?
Angithi ngiyangena nje.
Is it?
Angithi ngiyangena as a mayor, kufuneka aphume phela.
Wangijontshela la kwi-legislature khona ubuhlobo enihlanganisayo nabo maqembu athize ukuze kushintshe ugovernment. Ngeke ngezwe ama-rumors anjalo.
Bebefake i-vote of no confidence against uNtuli. Kwasho ukuthi ke ama numbers ngithi awu 37 MKP i-legislature yonke u8. So ibifihlangana iDA, kuhlangene iANC bese kube ke u-deciding law yedwa lo NFP, so vele balance ibe 40-40. Then ke manje bonke all political parties they wanted us ukuthi nathi either sihamba nalaba okuyimanje ababusayo noma iMKP sihlangana nabo bonke sithi sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi kahle kahle ithini iplan yokuthuthukisa abantu base KZN.
So ama-meetings akhona
Ama meetings.
mayelana naleli simo sala eKZN.
Yes,
Anything can happen man.
Anything can happen.
Yo.
Anything can happen. So kodwa manje inkinga enkulu ile NFP.
Wenzeni wayinhlumeza usisi wami wayingabiyeki aqeda ithemba.
Iqembu lakhe thina asinayo kakhulu ise, but iqembu lakhe kodwa ngazothi ke bayisana enkantolo ke manje no speaker of the legislature ngoba bathi mkhipheni kungena omunye no speaker naye uthi cha salindele inkantolo nawe uthatha udaba senkantolo, so ke ngazothi sabambene lapho, but ke kodwa manje bese kuthiwa
So
ke
nina nithini?
silindile phela ukuthi iNFP ixazulule inkinga zabo bese ke isiya decide ukuthi okay uma sekuthiwa ke manje samsovota ke sekucacile ama numbers ake bese siya decide.
Nini into eningayifuni iDA?
Angeke futhi asifuna le ihambe khona, angeke sihambisane neDA kodwa well sizobona.
But ngamalanje nihlala nihleke kuvelele umhlathi
Singama colleagues it's nothing personal, ideology
uyasithola isikhathi sokurelax.
kufanele usithole bra.
Isikhathi sengane yakho yasithola.
Yazi ngiyithi mise ngixayekile ngiphansi mhlambe ngisemjondolo ngishaya udoti udoti noma emafarm noma kuphi vele ifone nayo ivele ifake nako kwake ngifuna ukuthi ngithi ima aya neglecting me ngithi cha nawe uyisosha lapha uyibambi.
So relaxa kanjani?
Ncane ukurelax yabo nje bangiqeda nawe la ngizobafundisa eClermont ngiyakhona manje. Kusasa siphindela eGoli amanye ama
But isikhathi sichithe eCape Town man.
Cape Town, Goli nasekhaya.
Esenye strategy ukutshela u-EFF ukuthi buyani nizosebenzela emphakathini la abantu benazi khona berecognize khona lokuhlala eCape Town.
Yes. Yabona ngithe after announcement ngathi mengehla airport ngifike eKthangi ngafica umphakathi ngaphandle uyiorganizele ubuze umkhaliphi ukuthi wehla ngasikhatsini ngendlela babejabule ngayo ukuthi yabona ke manje umuntu esimaziyo ukhule nathi noma esimkhulisile
nane language ibaleka.
I was so like I didn't expect this. Yeah, it's a very progressive decision ukuthi awugoduke ekhaya hamba ukukhuluma nabantu baziyo bazokunderstanda wena khona ukuthi ngithi ngiyakuchazela njengoba nje siphambana nawe ukuthi amapolice e15 kodwa mase sihleli phansi kanje at least mabuchazela umuntu omaziyo khona lokuthi njengomama lo wakamama kampela wenzeni lo muntu esengithi akahamba akenza ngalutho mos nami ngishoda ngosawoti ngiyakena it's African baba ngishoda ngempuphu qinisile yazohlengiwe ukuthi yazi lo muntu ade limele lunywe yinja yakamamba but ngoba simzonela ukuthi akena wangala kodwa igazi liyafana. West part iSouth Africa yacolonizwa yini ama-Europeans sasi-Africa yodwa lama
from
border
Cape to Car.
yebo lama border ayengekho namanje awekho ama-border ibhodi iyodwa i-airport la ufika khona produce i-passport mabusuke sozilentuza here udonsa ucingo nje uyishunqele ngaphansi kufana nokuthi uthi nali igate ufake igate kodwa manje la emzini wakho awubiyile ungenephi wena ungenephi ngoba egate umuntu ungenela emaceleni kampozi endlemini.
Asifuna kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho
Siyabonga
hopefully ukuthi sizokubona after umhla ka4 ngoba umhla ka4 ususebobe kubi awusopolitiki abahlukahlukene bayacintisana bancintisana ngathi by the way ithina ke manje esinewe zwi elikhulu esizoba nezwi elikhulu ngale yavoti lakho nje lingashintsha izinto ey'ningi. Uyazi ukuthi siyaqhubeka nokuleli sikhuluma nosopolitiki abahlukahlukene. Thina-ke asithathi ihlangothi. I-EFF sizamile saze sayithola, i-MK sike sayizama saze sayithola nayo. ANC siyenze isiqiniseko sokuthi siyadila nabo futhi sisazothola neMayibuyi. Ngizwile ngathi uVusikhoza omele iMayibuyi naye futhi sizoyithola. I think yona organization esingakayitholi. Otherwise wonke siyawathola ukuthi azothola i-platform basithembise njengokujwayelekile. Hopefully ukuthi this time ngoba sebeyabona ukuthi abantu abayishovi ipake nogcopho sebezosithembisa izinto bazenze. Ngithi, don't you dare do what I want to do. If you do it, please take pictures.